Hi everyone, this is Audra Moore with the National Weather Service in Pocatello with today's weather hazard briefing for Tuesday, August 9th. So today is expected to be the warmest day of the week. In fact, for a lot of the lower elevations, temperatures are going to make it back into the mid and upper 80s, while those of us in lower elevations can expect to be back into the low and mid 90s. It'll be even a little bit warmer the farther west you go through the Magic Valley. Monsoonal moisture also makes its way back into the area, mainly the farther west you go as we get into Tuesday afternoon, so more so for the central mountains. Even that, there was a fairly slight chance for any showers. Not really expecting any rain to make it to the ground with those. The coverage, though, will expand as we go into Wednesday, and then that continues through Thursday, Friday, and even into the weekend. So there will be a little bit better chance for some showers and thunderstorms through the second half of the week and into the weekend. With the rain and showers coming back to the area, clouds also will be increasing, meaning temperatures, once we get into the second half of the week, will be a little bit closer to normal for this time of the year, back into the 80s for most of us. Here's a check on satellite for the Pacific Northwest this morning on Tuesday. You can see more of that moisture finally working its way into the area. It's in the form mainly of cloud cover right now. Most of that, though, still farther off to our west. You can expect that to move eastward as we get into the middle part and second half of this week. Now here is a look at your weather risk outlook. As we go through the day today, for most of us, you can expect above normal temperatures. This afternoon, a lot of us back into the 80s, and then those lower elevations, low to mid 90s. Now in the Magic Valley, temperatures will be flirting with 100 degrees, so a little bit more of an impact from the heat there. Limit your time outside if you can. Don't forget to drink lots of water. As far as the Central Mountains area, you can expect that very slight chance for some afternoon showers. Those rain and shower chances do increase, though, as we go through Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and into the weekend. They'll expand a bit more in coverage and intensity. Here's a look at those temperatures, though. You can expect Pocatello to be back in the mid-90s, 95 for a high, 93 in Idaho Falls. Again, the farther west you go, temperatures flirting with 100 in parts of the Magic Valley. Here's a look at what we could be seeing on radar as we get into the afternoon. Again, better chance for an isolated shower is going to be the farther west you go, up towards Stanley, Sun Valley, even in Chalice through the afternoon and into the early evening. These, though, will be fairly few and far between, so don't expect to get any rain making it to the ground with any of these showers really either. Again, the farther west you go, even out towards Boise, a little bit better chance for some showers and storms out that way. You can see, though, on Wednesday, our chance for showers and storms starting to pick up, still mainly off to the west, potential up to about 30 to 40%, but you can also see temperatures still plenty warm on Wednesday. A little bit of relief from some of that heat, at least falling back down to low 90s and some upper 80s for most of us. Don't worry, though, we dropped just a little bit more for Thursday, most of us back into the 80s. And those rain chances then increase across the rest of the area again. That'll be increasing eastward as we get through Thursday, Friday, even into Saturday, with potential for some of the rain and storms picking up to about 30, 40, 50, even 60% the farther east that you go into some of the higher elevations. Temperatures a little bit cooler on Friday, again with more of that rain expected and cloud cover for most of us. Highs will mainly be in the low to mid 80s. Chance for rain on Friday looks very similar to Thursday, and Saturday will look pretty similar to Friday, with some of those highest percentages up to about 50 to 60%. Again, the farther east you go into some of the higher elevations. Continuing to see a trend for some above normal precip chances as we go through the next 6 to 10 days. That takes us into the middle of August. During that same time frame, though, we can expect some above average temperatures. Keep in mind, by the time we get to mid-August, our average high in Pocatello in the upper 80s, so anything about 90 degrees or above would be considered above normal temperatures. The summary of what you can expect over the next few days. Today is going to be the hottest day of the week, with most of us in the 80s to even low to mid 90s, closer to 100 degrees the farther west you go through the Magic Valley. Monsoonal moisture making its way slowly back into the area this afternoon, mainly off to our west. That coverage will increase as we go into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and even into the weekend with some more scattered showers and afternoon thunderstorms. Temperatures will be a little bit cooler with that, thanks to the rain and cloud cover moving back to the area. Temperatures closer to 70s and some mid to upper 80s. Thanks for tuning in today. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can find us online on social media, give us a call, or even send us an email. Have a great day.